Welcome back to Mount Western Raceway and Hot Car Track, and this haul comes from NZ Racing from New Zealand. NZ is currently racing in Road Warriors Season 3. Check him out. Let's have a look over here. We've got some stocks and they're the customs. This first one here is a 55 Bel Air Gasser. This will probably go into hot rods. Nice looking colour, green, and I do like the decals on this. I've never seen that before. This one over here is the Fast Bed Hauler, Big Nige and Kev. Will no doubt be throwing this around the track, picking up all you lot who crash and stack. And a treat, look at this. We have two 06 Pontiac GTOs. Fantastic. What I might do is customise these, maybe put some new wheels on there. I'll throw them down the track first and see how they go. But I might pull them apart, put some weight in there, and one of these might go into the next Road Warriors season. See how that goes. All right, let's have a look at this lot right in front of us. These three are customs and they're going into Road Warriors and also Vantastic. The first one here, this is a Hot Wheels Morris minivan, and this is going into Vantastic. NZ Racing loves his minis. And have a look at this wheel spin. I'll do it again. I know NZ Racing spends a lot of time on getting his axles and his wheels to its best possible performance. Well done, mate. I love that. I just like how it's plain, and good luck in Vantastic. These two are heading into, Road Warriors. Now, let's have a look at this one here. This is called Big Nige, and this is a Hot Wheels Express truck thing. I don't know where you got this from. Japan by the looks of it. But that's a cracker. Look at the wheel spins. Yeah, very nice, mate. Well, good luck in Road Warriors. I mean, you can put whatever you want into Road Warriors. There is no limit on what you can enter, so long as the thing gets from the top to the bottom. That's all that matters. And this last one, this is a Hot Wheels Tankinator, and this is called Cuddles. Look at that. I'm not too sure how long this guy's going to last, but you never know. Road Warriors is such a different beast of die-cast racing. You just don't know who's going to make it or not make it. Let's have a look at the wheel spins on this. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's got a hell of a long wheel spin. Wow, you must have spent a long time polishing those. Well, NZ Racing, thanks again for your ongoing support on the channel. I really do appreciate everything that you have done and are doing to keep diecast racing alive on Hot Car Track. So until next time, I'll catch you guys later.